Welcome back to Dash and Delish. Today we're going to be making 5 salty Halloween treats.
Yeah, we figured that Halloween is one of those holidays that's all about the sugar normally. You get lots of candy and treats like that. So we wanted to give some ideas for parents or just adults that are looking to make some healthy snacks for the kids that are super fun and still really cute and yummy to eat and tasty.
Let's get cooking! First, we're going to do the spiders.
You'll need Ritz crackers, Pretzel Sticks, peanut butter, and candy eyes, or sprinkle eyes.
Right now.
Yeah.
All right, next thing. Okay, next up are these little cheese mouths. And for this one, you need to buy the little Babybel cheese at the store that look like this and come in the colorful wax wrapping. So go ahead and open up your cheeses, guys.
Now it's time for the witch's broom.
It's our second cheese snack, and these ones are also really quick. You're gonna need some string cheese, some stick pretzels, and some kind of chive if you want to decorate your broom afterwards. So next up are our monster eyes, and for that you're going to need some hard-boiled eggs, which is what we got here. Then we're going to add some red dye to the water. This is going to make some bloodshot eyes. So we want to do enough red that it's not pink. We want actual red. Autumn, can you add a teaspoon of white vinegar to our water, please? We want bloodshot eyes. And so what we need to do is slightly crush the shell on the outside so that the dye will bleed through and dye the actual egg. Give it a good crackliness. Okay, there we go. There we go, perfect. So if you'd like to, you can add a little bit extra bloodshot eye-ness to the top of the eggs, and just add your food coloring right on top.
The last thing we're making is witch fingers.
We've got cheese, butter, flour, cayenne pepper, salt, and we're gonna use a tiny bit of mustard in there as well, and almonds for the fingernails.
You need 4 ounces of cheese and half a stick of butter. Don't tell your kids that this has mustard in it, because then they won't eat it, unless they love mustard.
Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of water.
Put in the very center.
And then start doing the fun part, mixing it with our hands.
Our dough is fairly dry, so we don't want to add too much more flour. It'll just crumble over a little bit. Squeeze off maybe a ball, and a finger shape. If you look at your finger, you've got 3 sections. Thanks guys for watching and joining us.
If you like this video, go and check out our Halloween sweet treats right over here.
We love making these videos, so if you like watching them, you can go ahead and click that subscribe button and get notified every time we make a video.
And smash that like button.
Thanks guys. Bye.